What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we'll be looking at a project of the fashion blog project. Now it's time to build fluency in HTML fundamentals. In this project, we're going to practice the structure in HTML so you can hone your skills and feel confident taking them to the real world. Why? This project will help you to understand and master the building blocks of a web page. It'll all build up from these foundations. Now, what's next? A blogger, a developer, a stylish website. You got this. So here's what to expect. Check off the project tasks as you complete each one. And then if you get stuck, you can use an AI generated hint to get you back on track. Now, this is not an exam, so you can refer to other resources. So let's go ahead and start the project. And your friend Isa is a budding fashion blogger, and she's asked you to build her new website just in time for New York Fashion Week. Use your new HTML knowledge to create the underlying structure of the blog. Now make sure to include plenty of pictures, links, lists, and other HTML elements that you've learned so that her fans have plenty to read. Now you can view a completed project to see how to complete your work, but let's not do that. And then if we get stuck, we can use the get done stuck. Okay. So let me accept this and then check off all the tasks as you go. Once all of them are completed, you can complete the project. All right. Now to start, add the declaration as the very first line of code at the top of the index.html and add the HTML element below as well. So we'll do doc type HTML, and then we have the HTML elements /HTML. All right, done with that. Next, below the HTML opening tag, add a head element. Below the head element, add the body element. So we'll do /head, and we have, or actually, I don't know why I put /head. Head, and then /head. Same thing, we'll have body, and then /body. All right, and then that's it. Now within the head tags, add a title element. Now title the website Everything with Isa. Okay. So inside of here, we'll have a title, and we can name it this. Okay, now directly below the opening body tag, add an H1 that says an insider guides to NYFW. So we'll go ahead and go to, now it says below the opening body tag, we'll put an H1 /H1, boom, and then below that, add an H2, it says, okay, and we need two H2s here. So we'll go ahead and do this as well, and then copy paste these in. And if you guys want to pause the video and do it, that's fine as well. And let me go ahead and run it to see what the web page looks like so far. And it looks like this so far. Very basic, very standard. But task 5. Now, here's Isa's first dispatch from Fashion Week. Let's add a blog post. So between the H1 and the first H2, add a paragraph element. Okay, cool. So I'll simply take this, and then it says right here. So we can do P/P. Type this in. Boom. Cool. Okay. Now between the first and second H2 tags, add another paragraph to the post using the P tag. Okay. So here to P/P, and voila. There you go. Okay, now after the last H2 tag, add a final paragraph. Okay. So after this one, we have to add a final paragraph. Like this. Perfect. I don't know why it's asking for this, huh? Special element must be escaped. What does that mean? Not sure what that means, but we'll continue. Now, of course, this wouldn't be fashion blog without some images. So above each paragraph, add an image tag and set its source to be one of the following links. So we'll go ahead. It says above each paragraph. So we can just do it once and then call it a day. SRC equals boom. Yeah. Above each paragraph. So we'll do it like that, and then here we'll have one of these. Boom. Then another one, second one right here. And then finally the third one right here. All right, and let's run it. Beautiful. That is beautiful. Okay, and we'll check it off. And your first blog post is complete. Now let's add an image of Isa so her readers get to know her. Below the opening tag, add an image tag with the following source. Okay, it says below the opening body tag. Okay, right here. Put image SRC equals that. We'll do this. Boom. Now that's Isa. This is below. Yeah, below the opening body tag. Okay. Now, below the image, add an H3. Okay, we can do that. So, below the image, yeah, below this image, we can add an H3 slash H3 right there. And voila. There you go. Okay, now for the rest of these, I'm gonna do it in the next video, so part 2 of this video. But so far I have all this down. If you want to watch part 2, it's going to be the next video, but stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to like and subscribe. Have a great day.